my name is Andrzej. Last year I was facilitating a workshop for a corporate client, and I had to make sure that the participants were thinking in new and surprising ways. So what I did is I took my son's sticker book with me. And soon I realized that everyone was using them not only to brainstorm, but also to prototype, to create personas, and to express their thoughts and feelings regarding teamwork. The medium was perfect, but the content wasn't there yet. So I developed Creative Clues, a visual aid for collaboration and ideation.
The worst thing you can do as a coach is to give people a blank sheet of paper and ask them to be creative. Instead of that, simply write down your problem statement. Look at the visual clues and think how they might relate to your situation. Pick one up, stick it, and give it a headline. Ideation is just one use case for the clues. How are you going to use them? To visualize a user journey, to create a persona, to prototype, or for teamwork activities such as retrospectives. Now think about a user research scenario. It's not easy to be interviewed and to answer questions for an hour straight. From my experience, it's much better if you give your research participants a way to easily show what they think.
I'm not trying to reinvent the sticky notes, I'm just making them better.
There's only limited time to choose your sticker bundle, so back us up and share this video with others.